Hello everyone. In our last video, we have proceeded with what is machine tool and what is machine. And in machine tool, we give some examples about lathe, drilling, grinding, milling, shaper. And in our today's video, we are going to see what is mechanical drives. So to run machine tools, we need mechanical drives, or we can say to run workshops we need a source of a power. So what is mechanical drives? Mechanical is nothing but the motion, and drives is nothing but drives is example we can say pulleys pulleys in which belts are rotate, or we can say slide. So there are drive, driver, driven, and in between this there is a drives. So mechanical drives is nothing but a source of a power. A source of a power is always needed in workshop processes, particularly in cutting and forming of a metal in a machine tool. So in workshop processes, electricity as a means of a conveying power to machinery is now widely adopted. So in present, the electrical energy is converted into a rotational energy. In means with the help of an electric motor, we can. I will try to give some practical examples, or we can practical shows of an instruments. So it is an rotational energy is electrical energy is converted into the rotational energy with the help of an electric motor. So this is an electric motor. So this gains the electrical energy and convert the rotational energy, which is transmitted further, and this rotational energy is transmitted to the machine through belts, pulleys, and chain and gears. So in this, the mechanical drives is nothing but the source is always needed in various workshop processes. So mechanical drives is power transmission, and power transmission is done with the help of a belt drive, rope drive, chain drive, gear drive, and couplings and clutches. So in this video we are going to learn the gear drive. So what is a gear drive? Gear drive is nothing but gears are tooth gears. Examples, the gears are tooth wheels given a positive drive. Therefore, one gear is mounted on a driving shaft, meshes with the other gear on the driving shaft. So it is possible to drive shafts that are parallels, intersecting or neither parallel, nor intersecting, by use of a tooth gear. So this gear is commonly made up of a cast iron, steel, brass, and bronze. Gears are used to transmit the power. Gears are used to transmit the powers. Therefore, in gear drive, we are going to learn about what is spur gears and what is bevel gears. So what is spur gears? I will give you some examples. This is a spur gear, which is an external threads on its periphery. External periphery has a external threads, and this is external threads are generated by a uh, process we can say, or on a machine tool. These external threads are generated on a machine tool that is gear milling, which generates these threads on external periphery. So spur gears is nothing but these gears have a teeth parallel to the center. These gears have a teeth. These gears have a teeth parallel to the center line of a gear, and these gears are used to connect two parallel shafts. Such types of gears are used for speed change mechanism. So these gears are used for speed change mechanism. So speed change mechanism is nothing but the RPM, revolution per minute, and speed change mechanism will give you example of a lathe, that is a headstock. In headstock there are the gearboxes in which the spur gears are parallelly mesh with each others. The word is used is nothing but the mesh. Gears are meshes, and these are the spur gears. Have external threads on the external periphery, and this is the center line. So we proceed with our next topic, that is bevel gears. So what is bevel gears? So bevel gears is nothing but, in a bevel gear, the teeth are cut on a conical surface. I will give you some practical example. See here, the teeth, these teeth are cut on a conical surface. This is in a conical surface, and these are used for transmission of a rotary motion between two intersecting shafts that lie on a same plane. So it is a rotary motion, it gives a rotary motion, and this axis, this gear axis and this gear axis are intersecting within a 90-degree. Usually this intersection is 90-degree. So in bevel gear the teeth are cut on a conical surface. So these are used for transmission of a rotary motion between the two shafts lies on a same plane. The angle intersection may be greater or less than 90-degree, but usually this is in a 90-degree. So this is you can see these gears are meshes with each other. So, and these are used for the power transmission. And in our next videos we will try to explain the helical gear, worm and worm wheel, and rack and pinion with some practical examples, and also belt drive, rope drive, chain drive, coupling, clutches. Okay, so thank you.